In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and lastly blue sweater next to use Autofill with Google. So when I click my sweater and all of those features are gray, that means that Autofill is off, but you can always switch it on by choosing the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!